channel. Today we are going to do a project using the Cricut Infusible Ink system. We are going to use the Infusible Ink sheets, and the first part of our project is to cut our design using the Infusible Ink sheet. So let's get right to it. Let's upload our SVG file first. I'm going to use the Wild Child design. It is going to go on to a child size t-shirt, which is part of the Cricut Infusible Ink blank line. They make all kinds of blanks for the infusible ink, including shirts in child, men, and women's sizes. So we're going to start with that project today. So I have uploaded the Wild Child design to my canvas. As you can see, it's very, very large. Because I'm using a size youth medium, I'm going to change the design, which is locked right here, to 5 inches by 5 inches. That is plenty big for the middle of the shirt that I'm working on. And let's see, this design is part of the So Fancy Full Circle bundle. This bundle is really cool. It includes over 85, I think it's 85 designs, 8 mock-ups, and 2 monogram fonts. And it's valued at almost $200, and right now it's 90% off. So you can find a bunch of circle designs that you can use for round blanks, because it's called full circle. There's a lot of circular patterns. You can use it for hats, cutting boards, shirts, mugs, signs, anything you can think of. But today we're going to do a t-shirt. All right, so this design is grouped into both the text and then the outer circle and the background circle. So we're going to take the Wild Child text right here and weld that part together, okay? Because I don't want any breaks in it or any little tiny pieces. We're actually going to cut that out of the circle. So weld that design together first. Choose the Wild Child text, and then also choose the blue background, and then choose slice. So that is going to slice that design right out of there. We want to keep this one, as you can see, which has the words cut out and the background circle. So these 2 layers here, we're going to delete. And here we should have, let's see, let's move this out. As you can see, that is the part that we want to keep. And this part here, sometimes it does that. It disappears and then it reappears. But we want to keep these 2 together aligned. So let's go to Align, Center. So that keeps everything together. Now let us attach those 2. While both layers are selected, click on Attach, and that will put all of our design together. So now, very quickly, this is very easy to do. I'm not making any adjustments to the design. We're just going to cut this right out of my Cricut Infusible Ink sheet. So let's get on with that process. Click on Make It. This will bring it to the mat. As you can see, it's all one piece. It will cut all together. Very important, because we are using the infusible ink. You want to click here on Mirror. If it is a design that's symmetrical, that doesn't have any text or anything, and you're not worried about which direction it is, you don't have to use Mirror, but anything with text for the infusible ink sheets needs to be mirrored. So click on Mirror and then Continue. Then it will connect to your machine. You can use the Maker or the Explorer for this project. Both of them cut the infusible ink machine or ink sheets. And as you can see, it's just taking a moment here for it to connect. But once it does connect, we will go ahead and choose the infusible ink. Is connected, you want to set your material. So under popular, you can see right here is iron-on infusible ink transfer sheet. So I'm actually going to favorite that one as well, because I'm going to be using that often. Click on that material. It's going to give you the warning here to make sure mirror is turned on and that material is ink side up. So